Hello, hope every one of you are doing well. Today we will learn how to insert the nominal data or ordinal data into the SPSS sheet. I have the SPSS version 25. In every version, we almost have the same layout in which we have a variable view in which we describe what kind of variable we have and the data view in which the detail of the data is giving. So I have an ordinary questionnaire. It is a simple questionnaire in which I have two questions about the gender. Let me highlight it. And the second one is about the ethnicity. So, how we are going to insert it into the SPSS sheet. First of all, we will learn how to describe our variables. Have gender, gen, gender, okay. And SPSS, we usually prefer in data analysis the numeric data rather than string data. We will discuss it in other video, a different type of data entry as well as the type of data we have. So SPSS we usually enter the data in numeric form. Okay, so it is numeric. We have other option, but we will discuss it in other video. And it's width of the numeric that we are going to insert in our data view. So let's start. We don't have any decimal. If you gonna reduce it to 0, so it's all okay. And then label. So if you want to label it, we have two kind of gender and this study. For example, and the value. It is the necessary part while inserting a nominal or ordinal data into the SPSS sheet. So we will describe the numeric and its label. So let's say we will write 1 and 1 will stand and our data view is male, okay, and then 2 and 2 will stand for the female and the numeric and the data views, okay. So now we have described the values and its label. Go to next. We may have the missing data or we may not. It depends when we enter the whole data into our SPSS sheet. Then next we have columns align by year. We gonna select the nominal. We have male and female. Okay. So let's go toward the, if you gonna insert the data, you will aim to add the 1 for male, 2 for female, 1 for male, 2 for female, 2 for female, 1 for male. So and this manner you gonna enter your data and this sheet. If you want to enter it and string, so you have to change the option, okay. But for now we are going to insert it in numeric, okay. I am randomly entering it, okay. So if you have questionnaire and questionnaire 1, we have the gender of the participant as male, so we will insert male, okay. Female, then male, female, male, 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 okay. And now enter the next, and it's the ethnicity. Now we are going to insert the data for the ethnicity. So ethnicity, okay. So numeric again, we have different ethnicity and let's see it and the questionnaire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So overall we have to enter 5 digit and we will label them accordingly. So let's start. First we have African American. So let's start. One stand for African, American. Okay. Two stand for Asian. Three stands for. It depends upon your priority. You are going to give the different number. If you want, you can give 10, 11, 12. Then we have African. Then we have Caucasian, and then 5 stand for other ethnicity. Let's say other. Okay. Okay. And you will change this option Meyer into nominal because it is nominal. So let's say we are going to randomly enter the ethnicity. Let's say no, in questionnaire first we have a person and he is a male and his ethnicity is he is an Asian. Okay, two stand for Asian. Let's confirm it Asian. Okay, number second, the second person is a female and she's let's say an African. So we will put the third as we have labeled it in our data a variable view. Here is the variable view. Third stand for African. Okay. Number third, we have a male, and let's say he is a Caucasian. So well, select four. Okay, Caucasian. Okay. So in this manner, you are going to enter the ordinal or nominal data and your SPSS sheet. Okay. If you have any question regarding the data entry, especially the nominal data entry and the SPSS spreadsheet, and you have no idea, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.